Welcome to DoorVi, the world's most effective and hassle-free visitor management system. Tired of the endless waiting and complicated systems just to connect with someone in a building? Introducing DoorVi, a revolutionary solution that simplifies visitor management with just a QR code. With DoorVi, all you need is one master QR code at the entrance. Simply scan the QR code and instantly initiate a video call with any flat owner or department. The property owner or employee can see and hear the visitor, ensuring safety and convenience, while the visitor can hear them, maintaining privacy. No installation, no wiring, no hardware, just a quick scan and you're connected. Whether it's a residential building, corporate tower, or co-working office, DoorVi is the perfect solution. From its inception, DoorVi has been designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. Our journey started with a vision to make visitor management seamless and accessible for everyone. Experience the future of visitor management today with DoorVi. Hassle-free, easy to use, and effective. Visit our website or contact us to get started. DoorVi, simplifying connections, one scan at a time.